I will follow the road down to Africa if that's what it takes. Just want you to
Group class and my 2 o'clock group classes. So we are continuing the FYI News Magazine program. So please enjoy the news and learn more about the information that students will give you for today. Our anchors are Julie and Kush.
And the word to our program.
Welcome everybody, and I'm Kush. We are kicking off it.
And we are going to start. I'm Juni, your anchor for FYI. Your news
When
magazine.
graduation starts, students go to their class desk and listen to the principal's speech about the future, going to middle school, studying, etc.
This is a tradition that dates back to ancient times, when those in Korea wore long robes. They would take the time to pull back their sleeves as to not drag their clothes to the table. Today it is seen as a sign of respect and care for those who are.
To attenuate in the reader.
Jongdong station is registered with the Guinness of Record because this station is near the beach.
And Jeju has the Halla Mountain that is the highest mountain in Korea.
If you win, then you will receive beer as your wife's weight. Then you will receive beer as your wife's weight. If you win and your wife is the right weight.
And fruits. So I sell fried chicken. I earned much money, but doing this job was hard. It's very hard.
Ladies and gentlemen, our reporter is lady. Bonnie, I just want to ask you.
We empower ourselves to be better women in this society, and the world was damaged by disaster and war. If somebody asks her, why did you choose?
what it takes.